Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this video we will be seeing the reciprocal we'll be seeing the reciprocal distribution. So what is this reciprocal distribution means? Till now we saw when the service department are independent, but now when the service department are dependent, what is this dependent means? There is a department and a B department. Both of them are service department. A also will provide services to B and B also will provide services to B. A. That means they are mutually dependent. In such cases, how we can solve the problem? How we can distribute the overheads? Now the distribution is of two types. We can do it two types. One is simultaneous equation method. One is simultaneous equation method and second one is repeated distribution method. Simultaneous equation method as well as repeated distribution method. Now in simultaneous method we will use a formula that is x is equal to a plus b into y and y department is equal to a plus b into x. This is the formula we will use in the simultaneous equation method. In the repeated distribution method, we will just apply the given percentage. They would have given certain percentage and based on that percentages we apply. Now the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least write down the question. When I am solving the problem, you can easily understand the solution. The following particulars relate to a manufacturing company which has three production departments A, B and C and two service departments that is X and Y. So it is a manufacturing company and in that there are three production departments that is A, B and C and service departments are X and Y. Now the total departmental overheads as per the primary distribution means they have already done the primary distribution. So they have got the overheads that is A, B and C it is 6,300, for B it is 7,400 and for C it is 2,800. Next, in service department X it is 4,500 and Y it is 2,000. They have given the percentage. This percentage is for this repeated distribution method. For simultaneous equation method we will use our equation. But for repeated distribution method, we need certain percentages. So that's why they have given the percentage. Now let us see how to solve the problem. So as I told you, what is our equation? That is x is equal to a plus by. So in this x is equal to the total overhead of X department, that is service department. Then Y denotes the total overhead of Y department, the total overhead of Y department. So now therefore what we have told, that is, so B is nothing but the percentage. B is nothing but the percentage. Now let us first calculate the X departments. So X department is equal to, what is the total overhead of X department? That is 4,500 plus B. B is the percent. X department percent is 20% of Y department. Next Y department will be, its total overhead is 2,000 plus its percentage is 10% of X department. So this can be denoted as equation 1 and this can be denoted as equation 2. So I can write it in a simpler way that x is equal to 4,500 plus 0.2 of y. I have converted this percentage. Then y also I can write it as 2,000 plus 0.1 of x. So this is the equation. Now let us try to solve this equation. So what I can do is, decimals have come. So in order to cancel this decimals, let me multiply it by 10. So it will become 10 into x will be 10x is equal to 4500 into 10 will be 45,000 plus 0.2 into 10 it will be 2y. Next, same here, 10y equals 2000 will become 20,000 plus 1y. Now I can just rearrange this formula. So 10x I'll write as it is. Now this plus 2 if I take here, the plus will become minus. So 10x minus 2y equals 45,000. Next 10y, if I take this plus 1y here, it will become minus 1 by will be 20,000. Now I can just subtract from this, isn't it? I can just subtract here. So here it is 1x and here it is 1x. Now let me bring all x one side and y one side. So first it will be 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. So this I'll just rearrange. So this minus 1x will come left side. So minus 1x and this plus 10y will come right side. So it will be easy for me to subtract. So now 45,000 and 20,000 is one side. It is very easy to solve the equation. Next 2y and 10y, all y decimals have come one side and here also it has come one side. Now it will be very easy for us to solve. Now again I will multiply this equation 2 by 10. So the equation 1 will remain as it is. 10x minus 2y is equal to 45,000. Now 1x into 10 it will be minus 10x plus 10 into 10 will be 100y equals 2 lakh. Now I can simply cancel this plus 10x and minus 10x. So plus and minus, I have to minus 100 minus 2 will be 98y is equal to 2 lakh. So this I can write it as y is equal to, so this I need to add 2 lakh plus 45,000, 2 lakh 45,000. Y is equal to 2 lakh 45,000 divided by 98. So when I divide 2 lakh 45,000 divided by 98, I will get that is y is equal to 2,500. So now what is our original equation? Our original equation is here. We can take, see, what is that? That is x is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of y. So x is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of y. So y, we have found out that y value is 2,500. So x is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of 2,500. So x is equal to 4,500 plus 20% of 2,500 is 500. So x is equal to 4,500 plus 500, it is 5,000. So this is how we found out the value of x. So we have found out both the value of x as well as the value of y. Now we will have to prepare the secondary overhead distribution summary. So now we are solving, that is secondary overhead distribution. Secondary overhead distribution. So here we have the items what we need to distribute. Then here we have total of all the items. Then here we need to distribute the service department costs to the production department. So we have A, B and C as production department. First one, let us take as total primary distribution. So in question they have given total primary distribution. A is 6,300, B is 7400, then C is 2800. If we add the 6300 plus 7400 plus 2800, you will get 16500. Now let us apportionate the service department X ratio. Let us apportionate. Now if you see the percentage calculation, when you see the percentage calculation, so in question, in the percentage they are given that X department percentages are 40%, 30%, 20% and 10%. Leave for Y department, no need to consider Y department. Add 40%, 30% and 20%, it will be 90%. And what is the value of X we have found out here? It is 5000. So 5000 into 90%, it will be 4500. This has to be divided among various departments. So how we got this means I'll explain here once again. Now service department X. So for A, B and C, for A it is 40%, for B is 30% and C is 20%. So when you add all this you will get 90%. So 5000 on this 90% if you charge, it will be 4500. Now this 4500 you need to divide among the various departments. So now in what ratio we need to divide? Now see 40, 30, 20. So 4 is to 3 is to 2. It will be 9 totally. So for A department it is 4500 into 4 divided by 9. It will be 2000. Next for B department it will be 4500 into 3 divided by 9. It is 1500. Next C department it is 4500 into 2 divided by 9, it is 1000. So the same amount we will write here, 2000, 1500, then 1000. Now we need to apportionate the service department Y. How to do that service department Y? Let me explain it over here. Now service department Y, see we have A department, B department and C department. Don't consider X here, because X you have already divided. So A department is 30%, B department 30%, C department 20%. If you add everything, total will be 80%. So here we found out the value of Y. Y is 2500. So 80% of 2500. So 2500 into 80% is 2000 rupees. Now this we have to divide in this ratio. So 3 is to 3 is to 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So for A department it will be 2000 into 3 by 8. For B department it will be 2000 into 3 by 8. And C department will be 2000 into 2 by 8. So 2000 into 3 by 8 it is 750. And here also it is 750. And here it is 500. So the same amount we will write here. 750 plus 750 plus 500. Total is 2000. Now we need to add everything to get the total. So to get the total, add this 16,500 plus 4,500 plus 2,000. It will be 23,000. Next year 6,300 plus 2,000 plus 750. It will be 9,050 rupees. Next year 7,400 plus 1,500 plus 750. It will be 9,650. And here 2,800 plus 1,000 plus 500. It will be 4,300. This one we solved using simultaneous equations method. Now the same problem we will be solving using repeated distribution method. The same problem we are solving using repeated distribution method. So as we told, this one will be calculated on the based on whatever the percentage they have given in the question. So now here we will be writing the items. Then we have A, B and C, that is production department, and we have service departments, that is X and Y. Don't get confused, it's very easy. So according to primary distribution, whatever they have given in the question, first let us write the amount. A department is 6300, B department is 7400, C department is 2800, X department is 4500 and Y department is 2000. Now first let us divide this X department's percentage. Now see here, X service department. How much is actually 4500. Now this has to be divided to A department, B department, C department as well as Y department. Now A department, what is the percentage they have told? It is 40, and B department is 30%, C department is 20% and Y department is 10%. So A department will be 4500 into 40%, B department it will be 4500 into 30%, and C department will be 4500 into 20%. Then Y department will be 4500 into how much? 10%. So 4500 into 40% will be 1800. Next here 4500 into 30% is 1350. Next 4500 into 20% it is 900. Next 4500 into 10% it is 450. The same amount we need to write here. For A it is 1800, for B it is 1350, for C it is 900, and this you have to minus 4500 because this 4500 you are distributing to all other departments. Here it is 450. Now next you need to minus department Y. So it is 2000 plus 450. So total you have to minus 2450. Now see here, Y department. Total it is 2450. This has to be distributed to A department, B department, C department and X department. So A department percentage is 30, B department percentage is 30, C department percentage is 20 and X department percentage is 20%. So A, B, C and X. So A department 2450 into 30%, B department 2450 into 30%, C department 2450 into 20% and X department 2450 into 20%. So 2450 into 30%, it will be 735. Here also it will be 735, and here 2450 into 20% is 490, and here also it will be 490. The same thing we will write it over here. 735, 490 and 490. Again if you see, again the cost came in X department. Now this 490 again it should be divided to A, B, C and X. So I will minus here 490. So again X department cost we have to distribute. So here if you take X department A, B, C, D, it is 490, and A department is 40% and B department is 30%, C department is 20% and Y department is 10%. So if you do 490 into 40%, it is 196. Next 490 into 30%, it is 147. Next 490 into 20% is 98. Next 490 into 10% will be 49 rupees. This we need to add now. So again here we need to add 196, 147, 98 and 49 rupees. Again if you observe, cost came in 49 rupees in X department, so that X department cost we need to reduce. So Y department 49 rupees, again we have to minus and distribute among these departments. So here it is Y department cost that is 49 rupees into, now that we have to divide it to A, B, C and X. A, it will be 49 into 40%, sorry, X department na, so 30%, and B 49 into 30%, and C 49 into 20%, and D 49 into 20%. So 49 into 30%, it is 15 rupees, and here also it is 15 rupees. Next, 49 into 20%, here it will be 10 rupees, and here it will be 9 rupees. So 15, 15, 10 and 9. Again, if you observe here, what happened? It has been 9 rupees has come again that you have to discharge between A, B and C department. So the X department is having total 9 rupees has come, so it should be divided among A, B and C department, because you cannot divide with Y department. So A department is 9 into 40%, so 9 into 40%. Next, B department 9 into 30%, C department 9 into 20%. So 9 into 40% will be 4 rupees, 9 to 30% will be 3 rupees, 9 to 20% will be 2 rupees. So 4, 3 and 2. So now add all these expenses. A column 6300 plus 1800 plus 735 plus 196 plus 15 plus 4. It will be 9050. And here 7400 plus 1350 plus 735 plus 147 plus 15 plus 3 rupees. It will be 9650. Here 2800 plus 900 plus 490 plus 98 plus 10 plus 2. It will be 4300. Here you have already distributed, so no expenses will come. If you observe, the same total we got when we solved the problem using simultaneous equation method. So here why it is called as repeated distribution method means repeatedly you are distributing the cost. Here when you distribute Y cost, again X cost will come, that again you will distribute, again in Y cost will come. So repeatedly you are distributing. This is how you need to solve the problem under reciprocal distribution, under simultaneous equation method also, and repeated distribution method also. Don't worry, in my next part I'll be solving one more problem by both the methods, so that you can easily get clarified with the doubts. So I'll come back with our next video. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.